we've decked out our tree with ornaments that have a Bailey's flavor inside.
Oh, okay.
You'll trot over to the tree and break open your bauble to discover what flavor you'll feature in your cake pop ornaments. The baker with our favorite cake pops will receive a cash prize courtesy of Bailey's.
Ooh!
Part of my holiday tradition every year is my Bailey's latte. I'm making 12 espresso flavor coffee cake pops with a Vietnamese coffee and condensed milk buttercream. A little extra sweet, but then it's also extra creamy.
Oh, this is beautiful. What is it? Birthday cake? Ooh. Oh, smells so good.
2 minutes, bakers, let's go!
Just count slower.
Kelly is requesting we turn back time.
Yes, yes.
Did everyone receive the ganache filling?
Ready to pipe. Definitely need to work on some good filigree work.
I'm gonna dip the cake pop into the melted chocolate.
Can you tell it's a pine cone? I'm panicking because the clock is just ticking, and me trying to be a perfectionist, of course I went for a hand piping technique to make realistic pine cones design.
I feel like I need to pipe even faster.